For more than 50 years, we, the Boschert company of Lörrach, have been producing sheet metalworking machines. In cooperation with the Kjellberg company, we have now produced a punching and plasma cutting combination machine, the Combicut. This machine combines the well-known strengths of our punching machines with the advantages of plasma cutting and is a low-cost alternative to punching laser cutting combination machines. With the high focus and fine focus technology developed by Kjellberg, it's possible to cut all electrically conductive materials with different surfaces in high contour definition. Also sharp edges and narrow radii. The inverter power source High Focus 160i from Kjellberg offers top quality of cutting edges without burrs, characterized by very small rectangular and gradient tolerances, as well as only minor surface roughness. This guarantees a tolerance of plus or minus 0.2 of a millimeter and a high repeatability accuracy. Depending on customers' requirements, the Combicut is available with 1 punching head, 2 punching heads, or 3 punching heads. The following dimensions are available: 750 by 1500 millimeters, 1000 by 2000 millimeters, 1250 by 2500 millimeters, and 1500 by 3000 millimeters. All the Combicut models are of course equipped for the use of a revo tool. The revo tool can be used for a punching force of up to 12 tons. The following revo tools are available: 4-station with a tool diameter of up to 25 millimeters, 6-station with a tool diameter of up to 20 millimeters, 8-station with a tool diameter of up to 16 millimeters. After insertion of the metal sheet, the work is carried out fully automatically via the CNC control. The software also allows punching of larger sheets with the functions turning and repositioning without problems. Tool change is automatic via the control. For the production of more complex parts, we recommend the Combicut Rotation Index series. This series allows a stepless rotation of 360 degrees for all tools up to diameter 105 millimeters. The rotation is activated with 2 brushless DC motors and is controlled separately on the upper and lower side. This maintenance-free system guarantees a positioning accuracy of 0.03 of a millimeter. The indexing of the tools in the revo tool is automatic via a pneumatic fixing pin to the revo tool gear wheel. For this series, we designed a 7-station revo tool. In addition to the 6 tools with a maximum diameter of 16 millimeters, a 5 by 30 millimeter parting tool can be used for cutting almost all contours. This makes it possible in most cases to work a complete sheet without tool change. The basis of all Combicut machines is the well-thought-out technology and the robust construction, starting with the solid C-frame and the upper punching head with motor, the toothed gearing, the stroke measuring system and the automatic stripper and indexing mechanism, through to the Trumpf tooling system for standard tools and revotool tools. The large distance between the ball spindles on both sides with linear guides guarantees high axial stability and accurate positioning. The repositioning of sheets with a length of up to 10 meters is possible without problems on all Combicut machines. A distinctive feature of our machines is the repositioning of the clamps without touching the metal sheet. All models in the Combicut series are equipped with balls in the table. This enables easier handling of heavy sheets on the machine. A roller tool can be used with all Combicut models. The plasma burner is mounted next to the punching unit. To avoid transmission of vibrations, the plasma unit is pneumatically disconnected from the punching unit during the punching operation. As soon as the burner is used, the plasma unit is firmly connected to the punching unit via 2 cylinders. To avoid long periods of downtime, a quick change burner with bayonet fixing is available. This guarantees fast changeover for varying cutting tasks. A chute for small parts up to 500 by 500 millimeters near the plasma burner ensures removal of the cut parts. An effective suction and efficient filter system ensure safe removal of cutting residue during plasma cutting. The Boschert software allows simple and fast programming with dialogue support. Enter sheet metal parameters, choice of tools, choice of functions and programming of the start position. Now the program can be activated or further parts may be programmed. The electrical cabinet is easily accessible. The well-placed components ensure a simple error analysis and fast correction. We offer numerous options for all Combicut models. The 2 standard clamps can be increased to 4. The fast hydraulic system allows nibbling with up to 800 strokes per minute and is always equipped with integrated oil cooling. The automatic tool lubrication serves to increase tool life, especially when nibbling stainless steel, and avoids edge burrs in aluminium. The suction system for the scrap avoids scrap being pulled up. A marking tool is available for all models. This tool allows the marking of sheets with 10 different fonts. The CNC CAD software allows DXF files to be imported and converted into machine language. They can be transferred to the machine via cable or floppy disk. Whichever field you work in, craft or industrial, a Combicut machine is the most economical solution for you. Because of its top quality, easy handling and minimum maintenance. Individual requests are always possible. Ask for competent advice from our experts. Our specialists at Boschert are always there for you, because Boschert is simply better.